North Chippa United 3 Orlando Pirates sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives egame ade siyibuka namhlanje obukade kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga kodwa ke ebinazo izikhathi. So sibona ama club awu2 abukuyi Chippa United ne Orlando Pirates. iChippa kade host Orlando Pirates le eKings Park ade ingadlali le Eastern Cape kusanenqushu eyikhona le eNelson Mandela Bay. So they were hosting Orlando Pirates eThekwini eKings Park. Yabo. Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukuthi ke uthole u3 points kule game le kodwa ke iwuthole u3 points kungekho lula. Yabo, kungekho lula ngizochaza nje indlela Orlando Pirates eyiwine ngakhona le game le nezinguquko ezenziwe ucoach ebone kahle ukuthi ke izona ezenza ukuthi ke ucoach ahambe nawo 3 points namagoli amathathu. Yabo, so ngizoqala nje ngayo iapproach yakhe ucoach, indlela iapproach ngakhona le game le nezinto ke ucoach akumele ayilungise lapho nalapho going forward because isayinde le ndlela le. There are many players who are injured ku Orlando Pirates currently. Yabo, so kumele kulungiswe lapho nalapho ukuze ke sizokwazi ke siye phambili. Yabo, because once ucheck i-lineup yakhe ukuba ninawo ucoach Abdeslam Wadu namhlanje bafethu besi-lineup nje nge-lineup ecishe ifane njengale esi-lineup engakhona last game osikhathi kade sidlala namaZulu. Second half ye-game yamaZulu I think it was the lineup bezidlala ngayo le. Mbuthuma front, Osuna Police as i-left winger, Lungu as i-right winger, masukuthi ke lapha esiswini Mokobodi, Dancing and Tito Maswanganyi, i-back four, the normal back four with Dion Hot as i-left back, masekuthi ke uSibelebele, Siyema and uSibisi. This is the lineup engakhona namhlanje si-approach ngakhona le game le. Yabo, so mina ngokubona kwami emuva I think i-back four yethu ibi-solid. Our back four was very solid in this game. They did umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu oncomekayo with another clean sheet for uSipho Chain. Abantu ke bangakhali if uSipho Chain eseyiwina le award futhi ukuthi ke how uSipho Chain uyiwina kanjani award. No, uSipho Chain uyakwazi ke a communicate ne defense yakhe bakothi ke bahambe na clean sheet. I spoke about this ukuthi ke kule game le sayidinga clean sheets nangempela the guys produced a very good clean sheet. But ke i-issue yami ke lapho iqala kuphi na? Iqala kwisisu se-Orlando Pirates. Bafethu asibe nalo iqiniso. Uyabona isisu se-Orlando Pirates kwigame namhlanje it was very questionable. I don't want to lie. Our midfield was very questionable. I saw coach Abdeslam Wadu speaking about i-approach yakhe, i-approach le game le ubonile ukuthi ke i-team isodlala nayo iyoba defensive iswini idlala no Goodman Musele masidlala ngobani nayo idlala ngoJobini. Yebo, to be honest those players they are defensive but again they know how to move the ball. They know how to move the ball and again banayo experience ukudlala ku Premiership. Yabo, wena ke you are playing against a team yabo njenge Chippa United ifana ukuthi ke uyayidelela uma uzodlalisa i-8-8 eswini. Yabo, uzoyidlalisa njenge i-8-8 and number 10 up front. Okokuqala le 8-8 odlalisayo ayijwayele ukudlala ndawonye. Truth be told they are not comfortable ukudlala ndawonye. Ubabonile namhlanje they were losing too many balls in that midfield and lokho bekusifaka engcindezini kakhulu. Siyibonile iChippa United ithola ama chances, few chances ukuthi ke silahla amabhola eswini. Yabo, sibonge nje kakhulu i-defense yethu ukuthi ke ibikwazi ke ifike izomaka lokho nalokho, ifike izoshanela lokho nalokho. Namhlanje kubonakalile ukuthi ke siyayidinga ngempela umdlali ozoba unumber 6, umdlali owazi kahle ukuthi ke mephethe ibhola uyazi ukubaleka kwebhola eswini. If ulahlekelwe ibhola eswini kumele wenze njani? Ungadominatewa i-opponent while eswini it is the very dangerous place to lose ibhola. Once we lose ibhola eswini uyazi ukuthi ke i-team isiyoshaya i-counter. Once we lose ibhola eswini i-team odlala nayo izoshaya i-counter bazama ukuthi ke yabo manixakazise lapha emuva bashaya igoli. Yabo, so we must fix that midfield situation. I feel like eswini ilapho khona mina ngokubona kwami la besileka khona kancane. Yabo, but ke second half the boys came to the party. They knew ukuthi ke kumele benze njani even though bebewaluza amabhola but ke they knew ukuthi ke muphi umsebenzi amele bawenze. Tito Maswanganyi was very instrumental in that second half for Orlando Pirates. The ball was very good. Even the assist ayishayele yena uLungu Mjida ezekore goal, it was very good. Ngizokhuluma nje ngaye uLungu Benombuthuma. Yabo, Osuna Police I will speak about him at last but ke ngizoqala nje ngaye uLungu. Lungu for me he wasn't really effective. Akekho ubengekho effective in that right wing position. Yabo, truth be told I feel like yena benobani beno Sibelebele beno shayisana kancane. Yabo, bengadlali like they were not sinking like Dion Hoto and Osuna Police. First half they were very good Dion Hoto and Osuna Police but ke second half it seems like abajida baqalile ba dropper indlela yokudlala ngazi bekwenze njani second half but ke ngala kuleli side besingekho effective. uLungu benokuphasa ibhola emuva, which was something ebengixaka kakhulu. I feel like second half ucoach ukuzamile ukuthi ke ahlale nawo phansi abatshele ukuthi ke la nala nenza ama mistakes, kumele nithathe abadlali, take on the players, because uLungu bengakwenzi lokho. He wasn't fully taking on the players. Yabo, I feel like ucoach umbonile ukuthi ke he is struggling in taking on the players, so he must drift inside and ke ubane nawo Sibelebele aye phezulu. So ukukhupha kwaSibelebele kakhulu and umjida drift inside ilapho khona simbonile esethola khona ibhola eliqhamuka kutitumaswa nganye, which we saw a beautiful goal from yena ubani na uLungu. Yebo, uLungu wenza umsebenzi okumele ngabe wenziwa uMbuthuma eboxini. uLungu mephethe ibhola eboxini akacabanga kakhulu, acabanga ukuphasela uMbuthuma, acabanga ukuphasela uOswina Police, acabanga ukuphasela uTito, ucabanga ukwenza njani, ukhahlela ibhola enethini. As a striker, you must think like that. Muse boxing. There was a chance emiso uMbuthuma lapho khona kushawa khona I corner kick. Goalkeeper Stanley Nwabali uyangqwa ebholini. Stanley Nwabali ebholeni and uMbuthuma, he is not aware ukuthi ke ibhola lingakuphi nendawo. I was very surprised to see uMbuthuma enza le nto leyana, because if you can see the attention ekhona njengamanje online regarding yena uMbuthuma, you would really feel for yena umjida. But ke musumbone groundini uyaxake ukuthi hawu kanjani manje uMbuthuma, because people are very behind you, people are backing you ukuthi ke wenze into right. Kodwa ke uma ungenzi into right, you are proving their point ukuthi ke wena you are not a player who should be playing. Yabo, mina ngokwami uMbuthuma mfethu kumele azame ukuthi ke abukele ukuthi ke uma useboxini kumele wenze njani. Eboxini as a striker iziphi izinto okumele uzenze, fundamental things that you need to do, like your core things ekumele uzenze. You saw namhlanje bafethu uLungu, even the goal he scored against the Durban City, trap the ball, kick, trap the ball, kick, trap the ball, kick. Don't do complicated things. Ungacimi kakhulu, ibhola lihlale la kuwena ukhahlele, simple. And kwigame namhlanje mina ngimbona kakhulu uMbuthuma. I don't wanna lie, I didn't see uMbuthuma kakhulu kule game le, and ke amaphepha ahalanda alungiswa asazi. Second half Oswina Police, I didn't see much of Oswina Police. I don't know what is going on regarding yena, but ke yeah, mina ngokubona kwami it was a very nice game. Second half it was a nice game. Second half we really did well. Second half a nice goal from yena uSiyema, which was a very beautiful corner from uDion Hoto eshayiwe. Masukuthi ke igoli elihle from uMsendami after I mistake eyenziwe idefense yani na yayo iChippa United. So mina ngokubona kwami it was a very good game for Orlando Pirates. A big ups to uMsendami, goli lakhe lokuqala le top lizomkwazi ke lemkhuphule imorali, azame ukuthi ke alwisane nabo Oswina Police babanga ischeme lapha khona ezokwazi ke angene naye, because uma kulimala abanye abadlali I feel like ilona thuba lakho lelo ukuthi ke uphakamisa isandla nawe as a player udlale. Dancing and Mokoboti, they were very questionable into this game. I don't wanna lie. When you can tell me in the comments regarding the game, how did you feel about the game? Do you think it was a very good game, or it was a I don't know. Mina it was a good game, but first half it was very bad. Very bad.